Hi guys, welcome to my channel Tommy's Sheep Crochet and Knitting, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful pattern and this scarf. I have used great natural material. You can use any other type of yarn if you want, or you can use the same yarn as me. It's merino wool. And I will make also head and mittens in the same pattern. You'll need pair of scissors, 5mm crochet hook, yarn needle, measuring tape, and how I said this great yarn called Big Merino from Drops brand. It's 75 meters and 50 grams, and it's 100% merino wool. Okay, start with a slip knot, and I'm using 5mm crochet hook. You can use 5.5mm crochet hook if you tighten more than me. And I'm going to make chain 26 for my width of scarf. If you want to have the width of your scarf bigger or smaller, just make less or more chains. In next row, we are going to start in the second chain, and we will make something like double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook into the second chain, grab the yarn, pull it through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. You will not grab the yarn, you will grab the left loop and pull it through the second loop. So it looks like slip stitch. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Grab the yarn and pull it through 2. Okay, and you will make this special double crochet in each chain across. I'm at the end of the row. At the end, always chain 1 and turn your work. And start in very first stitch and make the special double crochet. So make a slip stitch double crochet. I don't know what is called. Maybe you know, so leave the comment below this video, and I will be happy if you will tell me what is called this stitch. Okay, and make 1 special double crochet in each stitch across. Okay, at the end there is 1 stitch left, you can see it, and make last double crochet, slip stitch double crochet. I will call this stitch like slip stitch double crochet. At the end of the row, at the end of each row, you will make chain 1, turn your work, and start in the first stitch and make first slip stitch double crochet, and make this stitch in each stitch all the way across. So make 1 slip stitch double crochet in each stitch all the way across. Okay, I'm at the end of the row, and now I want to show you I will always make the very last slip stitch double crochet not into the chain or into the stitch, I'm sorry, into the stitch, but here I will make double crochet, slip stitch double crochet into this space. I will do it because there will not be any small gap, so if you will use stitches, it's okay. And continue working one slip stitch double crochet in each stitch across, and make how many rows you want. If you are making an adult size, it should have about 170 meters. So use measuring tape. So I have a required length of my scarf, and now you have to weave all tails inside the scarf. If you didn't hide it during crochet, like me, because it's less work at the end of your project, I always hide all tails what I can inside during crochet. I was crocheting a scarf for bigger kid, for older kid, something like 6 to 10. So it's just information for you if you want to know it. I didn't tell you, sorry. Okay, and now let's make this fringes. If you want, you can make them. If you don't like it, just leave it like this. I'm going to cut 8 pieces of my yarn. The length of this these pieces of yarn, it's up to you. It depends up to you. If you want to have longer fringes, you should cut longer pieces of your yarn. And I will have 8 pieces of my yarn. And now I'm going to pull it through the first loop. And I will have one fringe in each second stitch. It depends up to you where you will place your fringes, but I will have one fringe in each second stitch. And tighten it well. And now take your scissors and cut it. And this is my scarf. This is how it looks like. Thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely day and see you soon.